Guapa! This. You think I will leave you without one? So guys, I can come here, but I have to stay in the yellow lines. Changing the oil. So I asked them to change the air filter also. We got our car back. 12,300. Oh my goodness. Good morning everybody. Damn, it's so morning. I woke up 7 a.m. right now. It's 7:30. I have to go do the car maintenance in Ford. It's been a very long time when I woke up so early with the alarm. I hate this so much. So that's the Philippines morning. It's so nice and cool outside. I think it's like 25 degrees, 24, something like this. It's not hot at all. You can easily go for a jog if you want to. Yeah, I'm the first one here. Ooh la la. Reserved parking. Oh wow. They have a nice trucks here. Guys, look at this. A new Raptor. Damn. Oh wow. It smells so good. So that's how it's supposed to be. The coins, they're supposed to be like this. Damn, okay. Me, I'm just keeping it down like this. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my goodness, guys, they said it's gonna take only 1 hour. But you know what the guy told me, the sales guy here, that we have one viewer, a crazy viewer, guys, who is terrorizing us. Last time when I went to do the insurance, some foreigner, you know, who's watching our videos, he called to the insurance. He wanted to have my information. There's some crazy person, guys. So guys, I can come here, but I have to stay in the yellow lines. Changing the oil. So I asked them to change the air filter also. We got our car back, 12,300. So next oil change will be 40,000. Thank you boss so much.
Thank you, sir.
Oh my goodness, look at the service. Oh my goodness, thank you boss.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yeah. Even though you have to change the air filter 40,000 kilometers, but I want to change it right now. Because you know, it's so dusty here. The concrete is so dusty. So happy about this. Oh my goodness. So guys, we're back home. Look how sunny it is. It's so hot. Look at this. We have the old air filter. Oh wow. I don't know guys. What do you think? Is it dirty? It is dirty, right? Yeah, it's very dirty actually. I think that's the inside filter. Damn, that's also dirty. I feel the car is much better. It can breathe. Selena is for sure sleeping. Yeah. The family is up. How did you sleep?
I sleep good.
What time did you wake up?
11 something.
11?
Yeah, 11.
Oh wow.
Yeah, we just stayed there because you were sleeping.
Yeah, I was sleeping a little bit, few hours extra. Yeah. Guys, we gotta cut the grass today. Look at this, how tall the grass is. It's crazy.
It's so long already.
Very long.
Like,
yeah.
How many weeks you cut it? Was it 2 weeks?
Maybe 2 weeks.
Yeah.
But let's go to the city. I gotta go take the money out. And I think I'll go to a massage, baby.
You'll go to massage.
Yeah, and after this I will just come home right away. Damn, it would be nice to take motorbike right now actually. But it's so dangerous. Oops. We got ourselves park. Look at this. That's a nice street. And we're just gonna go over there. Damn, what the hell is this? Behind we have the sea. Here we have the Dumaguete. That's a BPI bank. Damn, that's such a good bank, but you need to have the marriage visa to get the BPI bank. If you're gonna connect the BPI bank with the Gcash, hello boss, you will have the limit for 500,000. If you don't have this, the limit will be only 100,000. Hello sir, kumusta ka? Hello miss. Hello. Oh my goodness, hello sirs. Wow. Let's try to get 20,000 in one time. Sorry, you can withdraw only up 10,000 pesos. Okay, counting, it's counting. Give me my money. So guys, let's go inside. But we're gonna film over there. I have to hide the camera. I can film only this much. So guys, she have a little bit. Oh wow. It's a little bit thick, right? Oh no, it's thick one.
This is good.
But this is too dark. Do you have this? Do you have this? Check this. I got myself a new phone case. They were so nice. Actually, let's buy one for the Jolina also. But do you have a case for the woman? You know, for the woman. But also MagSafe.
MagSafe.
Yeah. You don't have, right?
That one's
The white one only.
Oh,
Yeah. I will take this also. Oh yeah, guys, look at this.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Yeah, damn, this, look how nice it looks.
Yeah, so nice.
Damn, it's so nice. I'm so happy. We are out. Damn, we got the new case for the Jolina. She will go crazy. Guys, on this house we are doing the parking. Hello, miss. Kumusta ka? I don't know how to speak sign language. Can I have this palikosa calamansi juice? Yeah, book now. Yeah, let me have book now.
20.
20. Say in Bisaya.
20.
20, yeah. Thank you, miss.
Welcome.
Yeah, buddy. Okay, let's sit and drink like normal people. Salamat. Thank you so much. I got lots of vitamins. So we're just gonna walk on the street, and behind this corner there's a tender hands. Hopefully those tender hands they're not gonna climb to my butthole. I have tender hands in my home, guys. I can have it for free if I want to. Tender hands spa. Bitch, please. Hello, sirs. Kumusta mo? Maya, boss. Maya. Guys, look at this how cheap the Swedish massage is. 1.5 hours, 400 pesos. It's like 8 USD. That's crazy. Hello, sirs. Mana puhun. Damn, the guys are still here sitting. Eyes are completely red. I got such a good massage. Damn, it was so nice. Oh, wow, we have a friend in this store. Let's buy something to drink. Hello, boss. Ayo, kumusta ka? Palikosa, too big.
Oh my God, how are you?
I'm okay ra. Kumusta ka?
It's been a long time that I don't see you. Where have you been?
Guys, look at this. That's my friend for 3 years. She's super nice. Let's go to the public market best. Let's try to get some grapes. I see. Are they soft? No, they look ugly. Damn, who have nice grapes? Hello, miss. Kumusta? What are you all doing? Sleeping? Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Ayo. Guys, take this. Damn, they're so soft. What about this? Let's try this first. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. Let's take this. Let's see this one also. Yeah, let's take this.
Yes, sir?
Yeah. Let me have this. Let me have this also. What else should we buy? Let's buy this also. Mandarin. Damn, guys, look at this, how much stuff. Damn, it's so heavy. I think it's like 5 kilograms at least. Damn, Jolina will be so happy. Let's make Jolina happy, right? Oh wow, we have a case for Jolina also. Damn, she will go crazy. Like really, she will go crazy. Guys, let's do a break test.
You have gifts?
Yeah.
What you got?
This boy. Kumusta ka? Look at this. Ah, la.
Oh my God, you got so many fruits.
Yeah.
Look at what you got. You have so many grapes.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Baby, look at this. I got myself a new phone case.
Oh wow, that's so nice phone
It's
case.
super cool, right?
That's so nice phone case.
Yeah, it's MagSafe also.
Really?
Yeah, it looks sexy, right?
Damn, I like this cover.
Really?
Yeah.
You want that too?
Of course. That was so nice cover.
Yeah.
Look, it's so...
Yeah, it's perfect. It fits so
it's so
nicely.
nice.
Damn, don't worry about this. You think I will leave you without one?
No, you buy me also?
Of course.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Of course, baby girl.
Damn, that's a wow. Oh my goodness. Damn.
Yeah.
Oh, la. Look at that.
You like it?
Oh my God, yeah. I will take the plastic
Yeah,
off.
take the plastic away. You sure you like it?
Ta-da! Now I can see my regular pink one. They are like this clear one like that.
Yeah, of course.
Oh my god, I have to now. Thank you so much.
Come here. Come give Papa a hug. Come here. I love you. Baby boy.
Oh, yeah.
Boy, you smell like poop. Did you poop?
Oh my god.
Kumusta ka?
I have new cover now.
Start cutting the grass.
Yeah.
I don't have long party here. It's 5. I can cut the grass 1 hour.
Oh wow,
Do
you have
this.
watermelon.
Yeah.
Was that the good one,
I
right?
don't know.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, baby boy. Watch out. Watch out your head. Oh wow. That's amazing. Look at my wife. How good life she have. She will just sit there, eat grapes, and watch the entertainment, how the man is working. What a good life, right?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
They're so nice to watch it.
You wanna try?
Yeah, let me try.
Guys, I have to stop cutting the grass because it is dark outside. I cannot say anything no more. Yeah, I just did this part. Yeah, it looks much better. Tomorrow I will finish this. I just took the shower. Now I'm waiting the food. Selina's pudding. Too big.
Put the too big here.
Yeah. These are last too big.
Yeah.
Yeah, these 2 cases. What are you doing?
You want
Huh?
to milk?
What are you doing? Guapa man. Jesus Christ.
I got salad.
Oh my god. Damn.
You want
Let me take the olive.
Yeah, olive.
Oh my god, olive is so good. Ooh la la. Baby girl. Damn, look at this pizza. Damn, how much stuff they put today.
Oh wow. You put
You
so
don't like
much
olive.
stuff.
Here also they have brown olive.
No, I don't want olives.
Jesus Christ.
I don't like olive.
Why are you gonna call this a sandwich?
No, they call it shawarma.
Ooh la la, look at this. It's so warm. Damn, the food is just amazing. I'm gonna kiss in the camera in your lips.
Why not coconut?
That's loud. Mashed potato in the Philippines. So rare.
Yeah, true.
The food is just amazing. Damn, I'm so happy we got this food. So guys, that was the whole day. Yeah. Maintenance. The car maintenance, the grass maintenance. Yeah, whatever. So if you like this video, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel. And guys, as always, see you in the next video. Bye bye.